Hey everybody, Mr. Pearson here for part 2. Let's check out this part whole problem. There are, this is true, the exact number 1,864 pandas in the world right now. And about 376 of those live in zoos. So how many pandas live in the wild? So if you have 1,864 pandas in the world and you take away how many are in the zoos, whatever is left will be how many there is in the wild. So if you got your total, and if you take away zoos, that will equal how many are in the wild. Let's see, 4 take away 6. Let's regroup here. Take a 10 away. So instead of having 6 tens, we'll have 5 tens, and we're adding 10 over here. So this 4 is now 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 5 tens minus 7 tens. So we're going to regroup. That would be negative 20. 50 minus 70, negative 20. But we'll take away 100 and add 10 tens. 10 tens is the same as 100, so instead of having 8 hundreds, we have 7 hundreds. We put 10 tens over here. 15 minus 7 is 8. 700 minus 300, 400. And 1,000 minus 1,000, 1,488 pandas in the wild. That's it. That's not enough pandas. Put in a link here too so you can learn more about the giant panda. This is a little baby one. Oh, so cute. So cute, so cute, so cute. Now you try. These numbers are approximate, but they're close. There are approximately 9,345 tigers in the world. About 5,679 of those tigers live in captivity. That means like captured, they don't live in the wild. So total tigers, captured tigers. How many tigers live in the wild? So we're going to do total tigers minus tigers in captivity, the ones who mostly live in tiger farms. And that will tell us about wild tigers. You might ask how many are in zoos. There's really not that many in zoos. Most of the ones in captivity are living in like people's tiger farms where they raise and breed tigers. All right, let's get to it. 5 take away 9, it's negative 4, but let's regroup. So we'll take a 10 away from here. Instead of 4 tens, we'll have 3 tens. Put a 10 over here. So now instead of 5, we have 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. We have 3 tens minus 7 tens. Let's take away 100. So now we'll have 200. And we'll put 10 tens over here because 10 tens is the same as 100. 13 minus 7, 6. 200 minus 600. It's negative. So we're going to regroup over here. Now we'll have 8,000. We're going to put 10 hundreds over here because 10 hundreds is the same as 1,000. 10 hundreds now, so we have 12 hundreds instead of 2 hundreds. 12 hundreds minus 6 hundreds is 6. And then 8,000 minus 5,000, 3,000. So that's about how many wild tigers there are, approximately. I'll put a link in here for you to learn about wild tigers. Have fun. See you later. Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.